Hey, welcome back. My name is Dino. This video is called the Map of Imola 1502. It's going to investigate Da Vinci's Map of Imola, a classic map. First, an overview. For the map itself, it's a city is circled by a ring. There are 4 lines that go through the circle of the city, and these divide the city into 8 compass points. And Da Vinci, an additional piece of information, he wrote wind names on the compass points. From this map gives an overview of the city of Imola. What's the motivation for creating it? Borgia was Da Vinci's patron at the time, and Borgia himself seized the city in 1499. As a result, he tasked Da Vinci with creating a map of the city, and Borgia needed a map to control the city after he had seized it. And as a result, because of the seizure, because of the need for Borgia to control it, Da Vinci needed to create a usable map. So it can't be like fanciful and artistic purely. It has to be functional and usable. One of the key elements of it, its importance, is the use of polar coordinates. Polar coordinates were developed by the Italian humanist Leon Battista Alberti. In this case, again, the lines that were drawn through the map of the city, they radiated out in 8 directions from the city's piazza, which was in the center. I'll talk about this a little bit more going forward. Da Vinci himself collected data from the center of the city with a compass and odometer. This helped him measure the various streets, landmarks, and other pieces of information. And from this, he used geometry to drove the filling out of the rest of the map. As a result, the polar coordinates guided the creation of the map. Process. Da Vinci paced the streets and it annotated a series of sketches of the various quarters of the city. And again, in the center, there is the Palazzo Comunale Tower, and the view from that helped to drive the layout of the map. The various lines that were used divide the circles into 8. And then Da Vinci further subdivided these into eighths to enhance precision. All of this hard work in multiple perspectives, from both the ground level and high above, gave the map precision. Finally, what's the outcome or impact of this, of Da Vinci's work? Da Vinci created the first satellite map. It's of a flattened city when you see the original. It's called an iconographic map. That's the technical name. It's maybe the most familiar map that's used today. It's highly accurate, and this map of Imola can still be used 100 years later if you're in that area. And it is a model for today's common satellite map. So when you see a satellite map like on Google Earth, etc., thank Da Vinci for that. That was a map of Imola 1502. My name is Dino. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like this video if you like it. Please feel free to comment on the overview, the motivation for the map, the use of polar coordinates, the process used, and the outcome. Finally, if you like this type of video, please feel free to like this video. As always, thanks for watching.